Hi guys, Cliff here again. Up at the patch, and I've got the Luobo with the great big fat tyres, so that's going to be a laugh. So Autogyro that is, so we'll see how that one goes and see if I can get a bit more practice with the Autogyro. Cheers. I'll try taking off the ground to start with, just to see if the wheels will make a difference, but we'll see. Oh! Yeah, it's not damaged. Hand launch, I think. Oh! Hey! That'll straighten out. Okay. Let's try that again. Oh! Undercarriage, I think, might want straightening out. I don't think these big tyres are doing me any favours. Oh! Yeah, I think I'll have to put the original wheels back on. As long as the battery ejects, it can't do any harm. Oops, don't go there. That goes there, goes in there. What a hoot this is. I can just get a circuit going. It'll be okay. Oh. The undercarriage is being really pounded, but it's staying in there. I'll have to unscrew it to straighten it, of course. Let's get this going. Here we go. What a sound! What a sound! Come on! Oh, took my eyes off it then. Don't do that. Oh, I'm on full throttle. If I can get around here. Oh, I'm losing it. It's the pilot. He's had enough. She looks okay, apart from the undercarriage, of course. I think I'll call that a day, guys. I've had good fun flying it today, so servos are good. Excellent. Let's just try the throttle. Lovely. There we go. Another excellent day autogyroing. We're getting closer and closer to that maiden flight for the Atom Special. I'm getting more confident, that's for sure. Yes, okay. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button down below if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.